My name is Rabi from Steam4Kids Education. I think STEAM will change the way we learn and change the future business, because the kids are now learning the skills. Instead of just learning theory, they are learning how to survive using the fourth industrial revolution skills in terms of your computational thinking, your being innovative as part of that, and being able to live out of the STEAM initiatives. I want the learners to take away the concept that they only need a skill for them to survive in the fourth industrial revolution and the future careers coming from the fourth industrial revolution, because it's not only about learning what is in the book, but it's about them applying what they have learned in class. Sasol, by hosting this kind of events in previously disadvantaged areas, it actually helps in terms of economic development for the small businesses around the area, as well as giving hope to the kids who grew up in the previously disadvantaged area, an opportunity for them to see that there is future for them in the fourth industrial revolution careers.